Well, today's recipe is Raclette and Tater Tot Casserole. So the ingredients you'll need for this dish is ground beef. You'll also need some garlic powder, some tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, that's condensed, Worcestershire sauce, broccoli. You'll also need some tater tots, raclette of course, and 1 onion that has been chopped, and salt and pepper to season. Now on a medium heat we're going to saute our onions in 1 tablespoon of oil until they're translucent. Then we're going to add in the ground beef, and we just stir that in, chop it up a little bit so it's in little bits. So we're going to add our broccoli just to kind of partially cook them. It's roughly chopped. It's 1 head of broccoli. So we're going to cook that until the beef is brown. So a few minutes later, it's nice and brown there. So we're adding 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. I'm going to sprinkle in about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then give that a good mix. Stir it until it's thoroughly mixed through. So I'm going to make a little well in the middle there, and we're going to add our can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, and then mix that through thoroughly as well. Looks a bit mushy, but it's perfect for a casserole. So I only cooked that for about 5 minutes. So pour that into a large casserole dish, making sure you get it all out, and then just level that up a little bit. And preheat your oven while you're at it to 210 Celsius, 410 Fahrenheit. And now we're going to top it with a layer of tater tots. Just making a nice even layer there. I'm just trying to make sure my OCD's kept in check, that I haven't got them all lined up. Anyway, so there's our layer, and then we're going to add the piece de resistance, the layer of raclette. So do that in slices, makes it a little bit easier. It's very hard to shred raclette. I suppose you could do it if you made some shredded cheese out of your raclette, but I preferred the slices. It seemed to work out okay. This raclette, you can see the recipe on how to make it in the information bar now. So once you reckon you've got enough raclette on top, we're going to place the casserole into the middle of the oven. So we're going to cook that for 35 minutes or until the raclette is brown on top. So that's about as brown as I liked it. All melted, the cheese is melted, the tater tots are all cooked. And now we're going to serve that up into bowls whilst it's still hot. Make sure I get a little bit of broccoli there, lovely. Now the broccoli's cooked all the way through, which is fantastic. So this makes 4 generous serves. Probably stretch it out to 6 if you had something else on the plate. So what did it taste like? Well, it was absolutely amazing. Now, tater tots, for those who don't know, also have all sorts of names here in Australia. They're also known as potato gems, potato jewels, potato nuggets, you name it, they've got a name for it. But I stuck to the US name of it, so tater tots it is. And that raclette cheese on the top was absolutely amazing. It really did finish it off very well. It was beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. But I will keep making these until you shout out stop. Now, if you want to support the show ongoing, then don't forget that you can go to Patreon. There's a link in the description below where you can pledge as little as $1 a month, and all of that goes to keep these videos rolling. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.